Ever wonder why your HVAC system is blowing warm air instead of a cool, crisp breeze? Could a tiny electrical fault in your Tecumseh compressor be to blame? The good news, most issues are fixable with some HVAC troubleshooting skills. Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we're diving into common problems with the Tecumseh Refrigeration Compressor, a 1/3 horsepower reciprocating compressor designed for high back pressure HVAC systems using R134A at 115 V single-phase power, delivering about 4,500 BTU capacity for residential and light commercial air conditioners. Part of Tecumseh's AE series, it features high starting torque and a compact design with 5x16-inch suction and 1x4-inch discharge lines, but it can face issues from wear, electrical glitches, or system imbalances. Let's troubleshoot step by step. If the compressor won't start, test the start capacitor or relay with a multimeter. Replace a bulging or low-reading capacitor to restore startup power. If it hums but doesn't engage, the overload protector might be tripped from overheating due to poor airflow or low refrigerant. Clean condenser coils and check refrigerant levels to avoid repeats. Excessive noise or vibration, check for loose mounts on the 4x6.5-inch centers or internal wear. Tighten bolts and listen for knocks that may need professional attention. Overheating often comes from dirty evaporator coils or poor ventilation. Clean them and keep amp draw below 5 to 6 amps to prevent wiring damage, common in older systems. Weak cooling could indicate a refrigerant leak. Use a detector around fittings and recharge to spec after fixing. High suction pressure over 50 psi might point to a frozen evaporator or clogged filter dryer. Thaw or replace as needed. Always prioritize safety. Discharge capacitors before testing and wear PPE. These steps will keep your HVAC running efficiently. Need reliable replacement parts? Visit PartsHnC.com for top quality components to get your system back on track. Subscribe for more HVAC tips and hit the bell for updates. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for expert advice and parts deals. Thanks for watching.